Welcome back to Most Car Review. Today we are exploring one of the most powerful strategic machines ever engineered, the 2026 LGM-35A Sentinel missile. This next-generation intercontinental ballistic missile represents the future of the United States land-based nuclear deterrent, developed to replace the decades-old Minuteman III system that has been in service since the Cold War era. Wikipedia. From the outside, the Sentinel presents a sleek yet intimidating profile, engineered with advanced composite materials that reduce weight while improving thermal resistance and durability during extreme flight conditions. Army recognition +1. The missile stretches roughly between 18 and 21 meters in length with a diameter close to 1.85 meters, giving it a tall, cylindrical body that is optimized for stability, aerodynamic efficiency, and high-speed atmospheric exit during launch. Army recognition. At first glance, the exterior design appears simple and clean, but every curve and panel serves a specific purpose in performance and survivability. The outer shell is constructed using modern composite structures rather than heavy steel, allowing the missile to carry greater payload capacity while maintaining structural strength under enormous launch forces. Asia times. Moving along the missile's body, the smooth cylindrical fuselage is carefully engineered to minimize drag and turbulence during the early stages of flight, helping the Sentinel accelerate efficiently through the atmosphere. Near the top section sits the protective shroud, a critical component that shields the re-entry vehicle and payload during the intense heat and pressure of launch and atmospheric exit. This protective structure also contributes to stealth and survivability by managing the missile's heat signature and reducing detection from infrared tracking systems. Mega projects. The Sentinel's exterior is also designed to integrate seamlessly with hardened underground launch silos that have been upgraded from previous missile systems across U.S. strategic bases. Army recognition. Unlike earlier designs, the missile uses a cold launch system, meaning compressed gas ejects the missile from the silo before its rocket engines ignite, reducing stress on the launch structure and minimizing launch signature. Army recognition. As the missile emerges vertically from the silo, the powerful three-stage rocket system ignites, propelling the Sentinel upward with enormous force and rapidly accelerating it toward hypersonic speeds. Externally, the segmented design of the missile corresponds to its three solid fuel propulsion stages, each responsible for a different phase of flight and contributing to the missile's incredible range and speed. Army recognition. Once all stages ignite sequentially, the Sentinel can exceed speeds greater than Mach 20, allowing it to travel across continents and reach targets more than 13,000 kilometers away. Army recognition. Another key feature visible in its structural design is the modular architecture, which allows different components of the missile system to be upgraded over time without completely redesigning the platform.